How to make money with Pinterest and Amazon in 5 easy steps. Are you struggling to earn online? Then these 5 steps might be the thing you are looking for. Let's see. Nella Fernandez from Fit-Preneur-Ship out here. I help people start up a side hustle where they are their own boss and achieve time, location, and financial freedom. Now, if you stay till the end, I'll show you a bonus step as well. So let's get started. The first thing you want to see is Pinterest is a woman-centric platform. You can see this year 76% of users are women. So anytime you want to look at promoting something, the best options would be to promote something that is catering to women. So how to find the right things to promote? So the first place to go to is called Pinterest Trends. Now, if you have a business account, or you can convert it to your Pinterest account to a business account, you will get access to these Pinterest trends. Now, have a look this month on the United States, what is trending, we can see. So you can choose some of these items to start promoting on your Pinterest account. So as it is just past Valentine's Day, there are a lot of Valentine related products. Now let's go for something like, say, earring trends. Let's have a look at that. So the first step, like we talked about, is to get hold of what is trending on Pinterest. Now moving on to the second step, which is finding the products in that niche. The best place to promote products is from Amazon, because they have a wide variety of products. Let's have a look. So I put in earring as a search item, and you can see various things. Now, say you have wrote down on one of this item. So you click on the get link. Now for this you have to be an Amazon affiliate. So sign up to the Amazon affiliate program. You should get a bar like this once you've signed up. And once you click on the get link, this is your affiliate link. So let us have a look and see how to promote this. So also get a few more items. Now say we are looking at another item like this. Again, you can get the link. So click on the link, copy that as well. Now, so that's step 2. Step 2 is going and finding some products in the niche, or the trending products that you searched on Pinterest trends. So the third step, moving on, is you want to create a post for Pinterest. So we'll go to ChatGPT and start doing that. So what do you do? I'll give you a prompt out here. So this is the kind of prompt you'd want to use. Create a blog post around earrings in 2025. And the specific ones, I've put my affiliate links there. So I would like ChatGPT to link to those products to give me a call to action for those products. And let's see what ChatGPT gives me from there. So our step 4 would be to create a pin. So now we are going to go to Canva and start doing that. So when I'm in Canva, I'm going to search for Canva templates and search for Pinterest. And we'll see some of the templates out there. So Canva is a great platform to start doing something like this. So what we can do is find a template that looks good. So say something like this, maybe with a few images out there. Okay, so what we can do is customize this template. Now to use in Canva, we want to get some of these images. So what you can do is copy these images, right click and save image. So same way I'll right click and save the other image as well. Now I will go back to Canva and I'll customize this template. I just need to click on that. I need to upload the images that so I can replace this. I can just drag and drop it onto one of these and it should change. So you can see there. So I could get various different images out there of things out here like this. Yeah. So once you have the pin, the next step is going to post it. So once we are in Pinterest, now I'll go to my Pinterest account and I want to create a pin. That would be an organic pin, create a pin. Now in Canva, I'm going to click on share and download this to my computer. I want it as a PNG image and I'll download it. So now when I go to Pinterest, I can just put my pin out there and I can put in the title description. So we'll ask ChatGPT to get, let's see what title, the hottest earring trends of 2025 have styles for this year. That could be a great title. So I'll put that there. Again, go to ChatGPT, copy the other part of it. and I can put that as my description. I don't think it'll take all of that. So it can take only up to 800 characters. So we'll revise our ChatGPT prompt to say make it within 800 characters for a Pinterest post. Okay, so if we copy that, we can put that as a Pinterest description, and we can put our affiliate link here. Let's put one of the affiliate links there. Yeah, I would want to choose a board, awesome stuff to share, maybe that board, and I can put some tags as well if I wish to. Okay, and I'll just need to hit publish, and then I'm good to go. Okay, so I can view my pin. Now when someone clicks on your pin, sees your affiliate link, clicks on it and buys, you get a commission. Now this does take time, but it is one great way of doing affiliate marketing. So now for the bonus step. So the post, you also got the image, so you can use on places like Medium, you can use this on places like Instagram, and with the copy and the image, you can post this on multiple platforms. Now, if you're looking for other ways to earn online, I will be linking to my other playlist where I have other money-making videos out there. So also, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and leave a comment as well if you have any questions. Take care. I'll see you in the other videos.